So here is a treatment that will make sure you look 10 years younger. Have you tried this? You want to know the ingredients? Just continue watching. I'll be listing the ingredients one after the other, how to prepare it, how to apply it for best results. Just check out for these ingredients. I added oat powder. This is a very good ingredient. You can get it from the supermarket. Oat flour, oat powder, they're all the same. If your oat powder is not in a smooth form, you can blend it using your blender. It helps to keep your skin supple, hydrated. For those that have severe dry skin, if you have irritated skin, it helps to soothe irritation. It helps also to exfoliate your skin, getting rid of dead skin cells, and make your skin looking so bright and uniform. You will love it. The benefits of oat powder is so massive. Try to get it. So another ingredient I added is turmeric. From the color, you can tell that there's a turmeric here. For those that are into these DIYs, you see that this is turmeric. So turmeric is a very good antioxidant that helps to keep your skin flawless. It gets rid of dark spots. It helps to minimize wrinkles, fine lines, eye wrinkles, so many disorders that makes you age faster. So try to get turmeric. Another benefit is that it brightens the skin. It glows the skin. Like, you just love it. I also added a natural honey. This is purely organic. So try to use the one that is pure so that you benefit from it. Honey here will help to keep your skin moisturized, hydrated, and supple. Honey is a very natural humectant that you benefit so much from. Your skin will glow. Your skin will look so beautiful. It helps to close large open pores. For those that have acne, it gets rid of it and keep your skin looking flawless. So adding honey here is very important. Try to get it. Use it. You love it. I also added rose water. So this is optional. You can use a plain water, but I want to let you know that rose water is very beneficial. Use any brand, okay? Just use any brand. So rose water keeps your skin hydrated, supple, naturally beautiful. It repairs the skin in case your skin is looking bleached. Maybe you have used a wrong skincare product and your skin is looking somehow. You can use it as a toner to clean your face. You can add it also into your facial masks to nourish your skin and bring your skin back to normal. Also, it minimizes excessive oil, like it balances the skin pH. You will love it. So after getting all these ingredients, this is the proper way to measure them rightly. I added 1 tablespoon of oat powder, then I added half tablespoon of honey. Yes, then I went ahead to add half teaspoon of turmeric. So in case you are the type that want to brighten, like your body is brighter, is more brighter than your face, or if you have severe dark spots, you can increase the quantity of turmeric powder to brighten that area. All right, so after adding all this rightly, you have to use rose water little by little so that this treatment will not be watery, just little by little, and mix properly until it's smooth. Like I said earlier, if you don't have rose water, you can use a clean water, a drinking water, okay? Drop by drop and mix. So after that, you have to remove all makeups and debts. Apply these treatments on your face. So you can apply it all over your skin to look beautiful, to delay aging signs, to look 10 years younger than your age. So I'll go right now to apply it. So just apply where you have dark spots, where you want to remove wrinkles, where you just want to glow your skin. Just apply everywhere under your eye. For those that have dark under eye, just apply around here. Apply on your neck. Go on and apply all over your body. In that case, you need to increase the quantity of the ingredients. You can actually store it in the refrigerator to use next time. So after applying this treatment, you need to leave it on for 10 minutes. Then after that, you have to rinse out using a lukewarm water. So I'm going to leave it on to dry. After 10 minutes, I'll be right back. Stay tuned because there's something I want to tell you to apply for best results. Yeah, I'm back. You can see it for yourself. So I normally don't pat dry. I leave some water on the face, and that is because I moisturize after rinsing it out. So you need to moisturize after using your skincare masks, after using facial masks like this or facial scrub. The purpose is to make sure your skin is not dried out and also for those moisturizer to nourish your skin after using this treatment. This is a treatment you can't do without a moisturizer. You need a moisturizer or your facial cream to apply. If you don't have a specific skincare product, we have very good one for you. You can patronize. We have natural products that will keep your skin looking beautiful and also natural. If you just want to make use of some oils that you have, you can just apply vitamin E oil, sunflower oil, rosehip oil. Any of these oils are penetrating, very good also to nourish your skin. Go on and apply it after washing. Then for your face to be glowing always, use this treatment 3 times weekly, or you can use it every day. It's also safe. But for those that don't have the time, you can just try to use twice weekly, and you see your skin looking more youthful. You'll be looking younger and glowing as well. So that is it. You can store the remain in the refrigerator like I said earlier. You use it later. So here is a video that you will love. This video is packed with very good ingredients that you can find in your kitchen to prepare it for yourself. You don't need to miss this video. Just click on it and watch. You will love it. So subscribe for more tips like this, and also like this video, please. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.